Now that you've reached 1,000 subscribers and you have the ball rolling, let's start looking at the bigger picture here, and let's aim for 100,000 subscribers. And I'm going to be honest with you, it's not easy, and you're going to need to be consistent. You should try to make a schedule if you haven't already, whether it's making 1 video per week or 3 videos per week or even 5 videos a week if you can. But find a schedule that's right for you and try not to burn yourself out. You also have to start thinking about investing in better equipment. You have to up your game here. Some YouTubers have invested over tens of thousands of dollars in camera equipment alone. You're going to also want to invest in better computers and other types of equipment for your studio. You should also start doing collaborations if you haven't already. I know of one YouTuber that grew by 1,000 subscribers in one day when they first did a collaboration. Before that, their biggest day was 150 subscribers. If you collaborate with a lot of people, you're going to be crossing audiences and you're going to be able to grow your subscribers by leaps and bounds. Now, I know I've talked about SEO and optimizing your videos in previous videos, but I just want to remind you to keep focusing on SEO, okay? And a couple of things I haven't mentioned before are to get other tools outside of YouTube. For example, you can get a free tool called keywordtool.io to give you ideas on what to name your titles and see what people are searching for. You can also get a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. Use this to find what keywords are being searched for on Google and YouTube. Another Chrome extension you can get is called vidIQ. This helps you get keyword ideas and helps you with your tags. So it's similar to TubeBuddy. And another quick SEO tip here is to name your thumbnail because this affects your SEO. I cannot stress SEO enough here because it's going to play a big part in your success on YouTube and in your goals of getting up to 100,000 subscribers.